These look blooming awesome.
This is a really useful one. This is one that I would actually use as well.
Hang on, how long has this been in your pocket?
Hello everyone!
Hi.
Hi Mrs. B!
Hello.
High five! Welcome to the latest kitchen hack testing video. Part of an epic playlist in which
we find hacks that are all over the internet and we actually try them out. See if they actually work.
Yes! Check out the playlist, there is some fun to be had. And today, I have picked the hacks. I've been a good boy as well.
Have you?
Yes.
Okay, no toasters?
No. Actually, I've decided today to pick some nice, easy ones. Generally have.
No DIY appliances?
Nothing.
Oh my goodness.
Well, an appliance, but it's fine.
You feeling alright? Just checking.
Have you ever been in a situation where you would like to peel garlic really easily?
Yes.
Check this out. So, put your garlic clove in your bowl of water, let it bob away. There we go. Apparently, bunging that in the microwave. It's only 30 seconds, okay? So now, apparently, we pat it dry. We slice off that root end. Oh no. It's all falling apart. Well, apparently, you should be able to just push the cloves out of the...
What, of these?
Actual, yeah, you should be able to just get the... It should fall right out.
Try a small one. It's coming.
What? Hey, that is sort of working, but you are having a really try there. And your fingers are going to smell amazing.
I know.
Yeah, it's still stuck.
I think a little bit more in the water.
Look, that's come up. Look.
It has come off, but it's supposed to just push literally out. Let's just soften that up. We might be able to do a hack within a hack here. Right, so that's been another 30 seconds. It's so slippy. Do you know what? I think this is one of the worst one of the worst hacks that I've picked in a long time, and I've picked some weird ones. Oh!
Where did that go? I think that's a fail.
Alright, the first one's a bad one. That's why I picked it, alright? The only way is up.
Good.
Possibly. Okay, have you ever been in a situation where you cannot be bothered to turn on the oven to make cinnamon rolls?
Oh, we're making cinnamon rolls.
Yes.
That's all I'm going to say to that. I don't care how you make them.
So, I did a video before called Will It Waffle Maker? And we have the waffle maker. If you cannot be bothered to shove the cinnamon dough in the oven, we can bung it in there and have like really quick cinnamon rolls, but they're a bit squished.
Oh, that doesn't matter.
It doesn't, does it?
It's still going to taste good.
Let's go. So we've got the icing pot from before, which we'll just drizzle on, so we'll just add some water to that, and the tube of... Look at the size of them now. Look at that canister.
It's not a canister, it's a tin. The size of a gin can.
The size of it is getting to the size of a gin can. Very on brand, Mrs. B. A log of cinnamon roll dough. So cut it into maybe like 5 equal segments.
That's hardly any.
It is, there used to be so much, like, you get so much more for the supermarket at the moment. Oh my. This waffle maker has done some things. It's had a McDonald's in it. It's squished together. That looks amazing. Do one normally, because this is how it was on the clip that I saw.
Yeah.
And one larger one, okay?
Okay.
Close it down, and you might need to give it some press and then clamp it.
Squash the cinnamon rolls.
They're non-stick plates.
I'm quite sad now. It's smoking quite a bit.
Yeah.
Should we check on them?
Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, that's nice. They look incredible, don't they? Like actual waffles. Ooh, good crunch.
Icing, please.
Let me put my nice lens on. Let's see if we can make this look cool. Hang on.
I haven't got time to wait for that.
I've got to do it in a really nice voice now. Watch carefully as I drench the cinnamon waffle in the icing like a cinnamon Rubik's Cube. It's not just any cinnamon roll, it's a cinnamon waffle. Oh!
Got a nice crunch on it.
Yeah, I think because there's so much more crust to it. Tastes gives it a little bit more of like a bready vibe, but it's gorgeous. Do you like that?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I forgot it was a hack.
But there we go, there's like 4 minutes in the waffle maker versus in the oven.
Oh, I like that. I think that's one of the best ones you've done.
That's kind of like a bad guy in Batman or something, the cinnamon waffler. Isn't it? Have you ever been in a situation where you want to try and get the seeds from pomegranate without getting your hands messy?
I'm not quite done yet.
I just like cinnamon.
I forgot we've got to carry on filming. That's not the end.
I'll take that as a yes. This could be the hack for you, all right? Okay. Behold the pomegranate station.
I was gonna say, it looks like some kind of science experiment.
If you open a pomegranate, it will look like you've carried out a complex operation on a human. You will get really red hands. So this hack is designed to get the seeds, which is what you want. They should sink to the bottom of the water, and we should be able to break up the rest of the pomegranate carcass. The carcass will float to the top, the seeds will go to the bottom, all right? Does that make sense?
Yes.
It will once we get started,
Yeah.
okay?
Okay.
And maybe we'll do it with the one just at the start. So you want to make an incision about halfway down, and this is just to give you the leverage to get in there, okay? Just plonk it in the water, but now just get our hands in there and just literally break it up. Just rip it apart.
No, you could have done warm water.
Sorry. And then just get your fingers in there and push the seeds out.
Oh, it is working. They are coming out.
There we go. Look, see these seeds here? We can just pop them out like that so they fall.
Gosh.
And what you're left with, like the top bits here, is the bit that you don't need, or the pomegranate. That's just come to the top, like these bits here. You can just get that out.
Oh, I think this is a good one.
And
It's taken me ages, but
Yeah.
I've only done a quarter of mine.
I think it's actually working. Look, that's floating to the top.
Yeah, it's working on mine. Then there's all the juice. Well, I guess all the juice would just be coming out on your hands anyway, wouldn't it?
Oh, your hands would be like bright red by now.
Yeah.
That's why you do it underwater, but wow.
This is a really useful one. This is one that I would actually use as well.
Yeah, look at all them sinking to the bottom.
You've done good. 2 good ones.
Thanks, mate.
But are they going to still taste the same, the seeds? I guess as long as you don't leave them to soak for too long in the water.
It might not be 100% perfect, but look at that. That is amazing.
That is a good hack.
That makes you want to have pomegranate a lot more.
Me too. I love this hack.
That's cool, right?
Oh, nice.
Burst of flavour. Proper stonker. That is my favourite one. Like, that's great, right?
That's good. Well done.
Have you ever been in a situation where you have wanted a Starbucks Frappuccino now?
Yes, now.
Like, literally.
I want one right now.
But an actual Starbucks one.
Yes, please.
Right now.
Where is it?
In the freezer.
Oh.
So, all you do... Sorry, Mrs. B doesn't know about this one. This is in my pocket. What's that?
Oh, thank you.
That is one of those Frappuccino bottles that you get in the supermarket.
Hang on, how long has this been in your pocket?
That, luckily, is not the one you're drinking.
Oh, okay.
Apparently, right, and actually, obviously other brands are available.
Right.
If you stick one of these in the freezer for 2 hours,
Yeah.
you have an instant Frappuccino. Headsets at the ready.
It's ready.
2 Frappuccinos, please.
Coming right up. Oh,
Okay.
they're cold.
They're cold.
Yeah.
You've just discovered a freezer. Congratulations. Now the only thing, and Boston does look concerned, is that it is glass, so we have to be careful. It could shatter. That is one of the warnings with this hack. So let's just be careful. Ooh!
It's only been in there 2 hours.
Only 2 hours. It said to not do it for much longer than that, otherwise the glass could shatter a lot more likely. And look, if I go like this, look, you have got that icy texture. I'm going to try and bring some up. Look! That is an actual Frappuccino texture.
Oh my gosh, you're right.
So we can just churn it a little bit. We should genuinely have a Frappuccino ready to go.
It's quite thick. Oh, have you got some?
Mine's amazing. That has worked amazingly. Is yours all right?
Yeah,
Remember, a Frappuccino is primarily ice.
it is. You're right. Oh, we'll have to do that in the summer.
That is genuinely
That's nice.
amazing.
Yeah, I like that.
Huh?
They are. You're on a roll now.
Like, in terms of simplicity versus the pomegranate hack, I prefer that because it's just bung it in the freezer and it's done.
Yeah, I do. I like that.
But the pomegranate one was very useful. Now for something completely unuseful. Well, it's got his vision now after the video's done. Mrs. B having her lunch, sitting down with her cinnamon waffles and a Frappuccino, eh? That is not a bad day. I have just preheated the oven because we're going to do some cupcakes. This should actually be quite fun.
Okay.
All right. Have you been in a situation where you are having an Easter get-together or you know someone that loves rabbits? So much so that you want to make a rabbit cupcake straight out of the pan, the tin, the oven.
Yes.
You have?
Yeah.
You're going to need cupcake cases, some cupcake batter, and some tin foil. Do you know what? I would really like to have my own cupcake case with my face on the bottom, so you like pour batter onto like an image and then you go nah, just a little dream. We've all got to have goals in life, folks. I want to be on a cupcake case. Just get the base filled. This is a caramel cupcake mix if you're interested, folks. So we just need something in it for the time being to sort of weigh it down, okay? So obviously if we tried doing what we're about to do and this was in it, look, it's all like everywhere. It's not got my face on it, you know? It's got some tin foil here. And this is where it might need a little bit of adjustment. We're just going to take a little piece and roll it up into a ball. What you can do is wedge it into your batter. So what we need to do is, you see I've got one here, we need another one there and another one here, and that will create like 2 ears and a little indent for a face.
2 very boring minutes later.
So here's where we're looking, folks. We've tried to do 3 bunnies with the 3 bits of foil, looking good, and then this one I've stuck 4 in, which they keep wanting to pop out, so who knows what's going to happen, alright?
I think they look good. Let's hope they stay the same when they're baked.
Very rare to see 3 rabbit cupcakes in the wild.
The good thing with most cake making, this is my top tip, is that icing can hide a lot of damage. Whilst they're baking, I have just made up some pancake batter for the last hack, but we'll jump to this after we see what these turn out like. These look, well, from the oven they did, blooming awesome.
Oh, they're so cute.
Right, we'll let them cool and we'll probably decorate them off camera and surprise you at the end after this final hack.
I think these 2 are the best.
Those are the ones you did?
Yes.
We saw the pancake batter a moment ago. I have now placed it into a bottle. Reminds me a little bit of our little young.
Like a baby bottle.
Yeah, used to feed on these, and actually you might not be surprised to know that they don't do that anymore. They can feed for themselves. So Mrs. B, have you ever been in a situation where you are craving spaghetti?
Yes.
Yeah, and you want sweet spaghetti.
Oh, yeah.
That you can make in a flash.
Oh.
In a pan with pancake. We're gonna make pancake spaghetti.
Any sauce to go with it?
I'll just put ice and sugar on it.
Carbonara or?
I could put like strawberry sauce, like put an ice cream on it. That look like carbonara. Might have some of that.
Carbonara with strawberry sauce?
It's red.
Carbonara.
I'm not putting carbonara on a pancake. No, you sinister.
I don't want that
You did Sarah Connor mode then. That's too much. Right, flame and a pan. Spray oil. So now we do lines, like really consistent lines, and that's gonna be pancake spaghetti.
Cool. Flip it over.
Yeah.
Oh, like a little worm.
There we go. But I mean, effectively we've got like 6 strands of spaghetti there. We're gonna need to do this quite a bit. There you go, look at that, Mrs. B. Looks like you're doing a barcode. Folks, I got a bit excited and decided to do it just as one long spiral, because that really will be spaghetti then.
That was a bit much.
Yeah,
Sorry.
but that looks like spaghetti. See, I think doing it that way is better because you get like a natural curve in it, a bit like spaghetti rather than like straight sticks like this. Hey! Here's one little design like that. We can do like squiggly stuff. The heck is that one?
Oh, the zigzaggy thing I did.
That's cool. I'll be honest, I find that a little bit weird. It's scaring me now. Alright, that took an unusually long amount of time.
Took ages.
We were about an hour doing that, weren't we? But apparently what we're supposed to be able to do is possibly stick a fork in it and spiral it. And the video actually did it like that. It didn't really twist it up at all. So you know what, I'm just going to have that.
Yeah. Pancake.
Cold pancake.
I'm not sure on that one. I think that's probably...
It's a time consumer. It's a time killer, isn't it?
Why would you do that? Why would you want to eat pancakes and spaghetti?
I have no idea. We did do a little bit of the M&M mum spaghetti as well at one point. There we are. Down with the kids. Hope you enjoyed the video, folks. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. Maybe share it with some friends you think might enjoy it, and consider subscribing for regular food fun. Check out the rest of the hacks playlist after this one, and if you suggest any on your social media platform of choice, please check that we haven't done them yet. There's hacks coming through all the time, so thank you so much for that. Favourite one today?
Cinnamon waffles.
Yes. I really liked the Frappuccino one.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that one.
And the pomegranate was also
Yeah,
good as well.
That was good. I do like the cakes.
Well,
Bunny cakes.
our bonus scene now is seeing what they turn out like once we decorate them.
Buy the right thing. This is a food dye, not a food pen.
They're expensive now. I didn't want to buy a black
I've made a
food
good
pen.
mouse.
All right, there you go. That is Mrs. B's. That's a good mouse though. We hid away from each other and we're like, do you know what? We're not going to show each other what we've done. That's mine. Hey, that looks quite good, doesn't it?
What? Aw, yours looks like a rabbit.
I think I might have won that.